Hey dolls, it's Lulu, here to introduce you to your summer skin in a bottle, the glow-giving, transformational tanning icon in the making, Prep Set Tan. That's right, our world-famous Prep Set Glow Spray has got a new summer sister, and she promises to give you the most hydrated and even sun-kissed tan ever. Okay, and you know the drill, guys. It's all about that shake to activate moment. Oh, and before I forget, say hello to our new tan buffing brush for a totally non-patchy application. So cute. Our new Prep Set Tan contains the most premium, naturally derived tanning agents and is totally set to become a staycation and vacation essential. It is enriched with hyaluronic acid to ensure your self-tan looks nourished, hydrated, natural, and healthy. And it definitely won't dry out your skin. There are two gorgeous shades that will suit all skin tones. Original is for a subtle, fresh, sun-kissed effect, and Glow will add a rich warmth to your complexion. Spritz on and buff into the skin and let this tan develop between 3 and 8 hours. This formula develops into a very natural looking tan. It doesn't transfer and there is no need to wash off. Although, of course, if you want to jump in the shower before you start your glam, totally up to you. If you're anything like me and find the smell of self-tan a little off-putting, look no further. Our Prep Set Tan is infused with a tropical aroma that literally transports you to a far-off paradise. If you want to see how I achieved this golden, bronzed, sun-kissed look, keep watching. Okay, so now I have a completely bare, cleansed, and moisturized face. I'm going to grab my Prep Set Tan and shake the bottle to activate and mix the tanning spray. Then you're going to literally spritz onto your bare skin. This is the important bit. I'm going to grab my buffing brush and work the product into the skin in firm circular motions. And I'm taking extra care to buff that tan in around my ears and my armpits because we know those are the giveaway areas where self-tan can let you down. I then do each arm, grabbing that buffing brush again and just blending the Prep Set Tan all the way up to meet my already tanned shoulders. Just remember to buff, 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 especially around the wrists and elbows. As you can see, another reason why Prep Set Tan is so special is because it has this instant effect shimmer in the formula. You can feel fabulous while it develops, not just when it's done. Now I'm gonna tan my legs, my body in the exact same way, spritzing my Prep Set Tan and buffing it all in with my magic buffing brush. I'm gonna leave you now and check back in 8 hours to show you what a glowing bronzed goddess I have become. Here's my face and shoulders and my arms and hands. There you dolls have it. Look at this tan. My skin feels happy and healthy and not dried out at all, which I always feel like is such a downside when you're using self-tan. Nothing to worry about here. I am obsessed. Okay, and also it is boyfriend approved. My boyfriend did not complain of the smell at all. You seriously need this now, babes. Prep Set Tan is your new must-have essential. Happy shopping, bye!